How can we define biology in a very simple term?
Biology is the combination of two words, um, bios and logos. Bios means life, and logos mean discussion.
It means biology is the discussion about living as well, just like the plants outside. So all these are will be studied in a same branch. We can say it biology.
No, plants are studied in botany, and animals are studied in zoology.
Zoology.
Yes.
एनिमल्स की स्टडी को हम zoology कहेंगे और बाकी जो प्लांट्स की स्टडी को हम क्या नाम देंगे?
Botany.
लेकिन सभी चीजें ऐसी तो नहीं है जो हमें नजर आए. There are a lot of things which we cannot see with our naked eyes. These are very small microorganisms. So what type of study will be there? If we want to study about microorganisms, which type of branch will deal?
If we want to study about microorganisms, we study microbiology.
Approximately how many branches are there which are a part of our syllabus, just like 9th class? Can you simply give the names of all those branches?
There are 15 branches of biology. First one is morphology, and anatomy, physiology, histology, cytology.
Let me try to discuss separately each other. Morphology. How can we define morphology?
Morphology is the study of our forms and structure of organisms, particularly humans.
You want to say that my physical structure will be discussed in the branch of morphology?
Yeah.
And if I want to discuss about the internal structure of my body, which branch of biology I have to study?
Anatomy branch of biology you will study.
Okay.
In physiology, we study about our body functions, such as how blood circulatory system.
Just like my fingers, or my hand, or my arm, this is the function of my one organ, as well as the internal structure, just like circulation of blood. Okay, tell something more about this is the physiology.
Histology. Histology is the study of microscopic tissues.
Whenever the word tissue, you speak just what is tissue?
Tissue is the group of cells that have similar functions.
So what is cell?
Cell is the smallest part of living things.
Cells. Which branch of biology will deal that?
Cytology is a branch of
Cytology. So I think tissue study will be called histology. Okay, there is a sequence. कोई इस तरह की ब्रांच भी है जिसमें हमें पता चले कि वो हमारी जो खसूसियात हैं चेहरे की वो क्यों मिलती जुलती हैं, वो किस ब्रांच में उसकी स्टडी है?
In genetics, we study about.
One question more I have in my mind, that while talking about fossil fuels that are dead part of animals that are no more the universe, the decade since the period 4,000 to 5,000 years ago, if I want to study about, is that also the part of biology?
No, it's paleontology, a branch of biology.
Okay, नाज़रीन, अभी हमने आपस में एक डिस्कशन की जिसमें बायोलॉजी को डिफाइन किया और ये समझने की कोशिश की कि इसकी कितनी ब्रांचेस हैं और हर ब्रांच जो है वो कौन सी स्टडी को डील करती है. हमने इसको टूटे फूटे अंदाज में समझने की कोशिश की. तो चले नेक्स्ट किसी और टॉपिक में भी हम आपके साथ इसी तरह